Wendy, your request is becoming very popular. People want hidden doors. Now, there's a company that specializes in it. The box is made of MDF, the face is made of poplar, and the doors are made of birch.
Those are beautiful. I really like those.
Now, this material is really meant to be painted, so this is not a stain grade material.
That's great, because I want to paint all the trim in this room. I want to brighten it up, put some white everywhere. Yeah.
That'll make a big difference.
Yeah.
Now, they also send the hardware. There's a hinge at the top and one at the bottom. And those hinges match up with the jamb that they send. So they have a pivot point at the top and the bottom for the door to swing on. Now, to get started, we have to take out your old door.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Now we'll take off the casing and then remove the jamb. All right, we're ready to put the jamb in, and the bottom part of the jamb is actually called the threshold. Now, this is an old building, and the old building is not level or straight. All right, and it's very important when you hang a door, it has to be plumb and level, and that makes it square. So if I take my level and I put it on the threshold and I make the threshold level, you can see that it actually creates a gap or a space underneath that threshold. To fill that gap, I'm going to use a piece of poplar. First thing I need to do is make the top level. Set my scribes the overall width of the filler and scribe it along the floor. Once it's scribed, I'll cut it with my circular saw. That piece will fill that gap. All right, let's see how it fits in the opening. Slide it in. Now what I want to do is place my level on top of the threshold. Level is good, and our gap is filled. Now what I want to do is I need to plumb the jamb starting on this side. I want to make sure the outside of the jamb stays flush with this wall. I'm going to put a couple of shims in here. All right, Wendy, let's pick it up and slide it into the opening. Now we want to walk it right through. We're going to just fit it right in there. Keep it at 90 degrees. What I want to do is I want to drop this side of the hardware on this lower pivot point. Not going down. Drop it down. Okay, that's good right there. Now I got to get the pin into the top one. If you look, there's a little pin on this that will actually sit in that slot. So I slide it into the slot. Line it up with the other one. Right there. I'm in. Okay, come on out, give it a close, and let's see how it looks.
All right.
Now just snap it into position. There you go.
Oh, wow, it's really coming along.
Yeah, it's
I like
coming along
it.
good. All right, all we need to do is trim it out around the perimeter. We're setting the casing with an 8-penny finish nail, 2.5 inches long. All right, Wendy, we have adjustable shelves so you can place them any way you want, depending on what you want to put on them.
I love it. I love it. Can I put my books on
Sure,
there?
go for it.
Thank you. So how do I open this?
All you're going to do is push on it. On the floor, there's a friction catch, so you have to snap it out of that, push it open.
All right. Wow. Oh, this is amazing.
There you go. And there's your hidden closet. So now when you close it, just pull it tight. It'll snap into place.
Perfect. Wow.
Now no one knows your tire's back.